everyone, how's everyone doing today? Today I'm involved in a Dollar Tree trade collab. This time it had to do with spring. So it could be Memorial Day, Easter, or anything to do with spring. The people involved are Miss Jackie Russell, Trisha's House, Tracy and Chloe Unboxings Beauty and More, Cheryl for Peace, Carol Gardner, Bargain Mama, Retro D, Wendy Jean, Single Mom Review, known as Here, The Loving Klutzes, and Crazy Mimi Yep. I want to thank Tracy for doing all the artwork like thumbnails and things, and Miss Jackie Russell for putting together the collab. I also want to thank Michelle with Wavy from the Ocean for putting together the pictures. Everybody's videos are staggered for coming out. I'm showing 10 items. We want everyone to give a rating between 1 to 10 if you like the items and think you would use them. This is just for fun. It's not a competition. We're also doing a giveaway. You must be subscribed publicly to everyone that's involved in this collab and like everybody's videos. So the items that I ended up picking up is this really cute Happy Easter bunny sign. And he's got carrots in his pocket. This really cute purple bunny. And he's got like bunnies and Easter eggs and stuff in his ears. I also picked up a blue one. I picked up a really cute carrot bunny. Easter decoration kit. I think he ended up coming out pretty cute. What do you guys think? Some pot holders set up 2 that say Easter wishes on it. A shake your bunny tail sign. License plate says hip hop. That's funny. A cute little chick that's holding a bunny. Some Peeps marshmallow party cake flavor. And a color your own paddle ball. It's got a chick with Easter eggs. And comes with markers. And like I said, everybody's doing a giveaway. To enter, you must be subscribed publicly to everybody, as well as like their videos and leave comments, as well as must be in the USA. Once it's in the mail, not my responsibility. To enter, you want to put Easter in a sentence in the comments. Be 18 or older. This giveaway is just me, myself, and I. I'll put an end date here. After I pick winner, you have a week to get a hold of me or do whatever with the items. So what am I giving away? I'm giving away this Body and Earth bath bomb. A set of this Amasis Skincare 24K Gold Collagen Eye Masks, 5 sets. A Pore Filter Pore Blurring Pressed Powder. A Bumble and Bumble BB Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray. A Mitchie Set Gel to Foam Styling Mousse, frizz-free definition. And a Pader Precision Pout Lip Liner. A bunch of different colors. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe with the bell on. Thank you.